Hello, I'm András Fazakas, the CEO of the Navengo KFT, and I would like to show something new stuffs in our new version software, which is Navengo iGo 8. So here you can see the main screen, and of course it didn't change a lot. There are three more interesting improved features, and added features are the 3D, the elevation model, and some fine-tunings in the base software, in the core software. Let's get to Germany, because as you know, Sebit's placed in Germany. And of course we are in Hanover. And I would like to show for you some interesting 3D landmarks in this nice city. Here we are. That's a quite new thing before we continue with the 3D landmarks, because here you can see a nice screen, which is quite new in the new version of the software. Here you can set the chosen destination, the chosen target, as a destination, or you can put it as a start point. That's quite new. Getting back and show for you the 3D landmarks. Here we can change, for instance, any landmark what we need. First of all, let's look after our hotel where we are housing, which is basically Maritime Airport Hotel, for instance. And here you can see a nice 3D landmarks. And also a new feature, a fine-tuning of our new software. If you touch the screen, several icons are appearing on the left, and you can play on the screen with the zoom and the famous tilt function of our software. And if it's okay, you can take a look around of the selected landmark, which is basically a 3D model, of course. If you could not recognize, for instance, the building itself about the form factor, of course you can zoom in and you can have a look about the name of the hotel. It's quite nice, right? Okay, that's the first thing, the 3D capability of the new software. Let's show for you something else, which is the elevation model. And in case of this, we should take a nice trip to France, for instance. And let's see the country, because it's quite hilly, you know. Here also can play with the famous zoom and tilt. And now you can see some appearing elevation model here. Let's visit a little the Alps, you know. Let's zoom in. And here we are. Here's the quite new things also, the elevation model. Of course you can change to 3D mode also on the screen. Oops, it's a small bug, sorry. We zoomed it too much. But if you are getting far, here we can say a very nice terrain model or elevation model. And of course you can take a nice walk into the Alps. So these are the biggest and quite new features in our new Navengo iGo 8 software.